What's up? Alright, so basically what I'm doing today is I am headed to Virginia to pick up a new vehicle. Not a new vehicle, a used vehicle, but it's kind of to start this other business I've been working on for a while. I just haven't really built the capital to start it yet. So what I'm doing is I'm doing it piece by piece, and I'll show you guys that kind of on my journey too. But as you can see, I'm in this pretty sick OBS 7.3. We're going about 75, headed up to Manassas, Virginia. Truck is rolling. It's a pretty sweet truck. I wish I still had mine. I had one back in the day. It was a 97 or 96, I can't remember. But it was a 7.3 truck, and it ripped pretty good too. So I like this thing a lot. Hopefully you guys like the truck I'm getting, because it is pretty sweet. From the pictures, I haven't seen it in person. I bought it sight unseen. So yeah. It's kind of exciting. I don't really know where I am right now. If I had to guess, I'm like somewhere between High Point and Raleigh or something. I don't really know. But I'm at the stop for diesel probably in another 100 miles or something. But we are on the road. It's taking me. I left at about 5 something this morning, and it's been a little bit of a trip. It's been fun. It's almost 8 now, so it's barely there on the ass crack of dawn, so that's awesome. But yeah, I'm kind of excited about this truck, so it should be a good time, you know. One funny thing, I just almost ran out of fuel, and luckily I was right at an exit. So I did get to the pump. But the funny thing is I guess the gauge is just off, so we're gonna fill this bitch to the brim and send it. But yeah, so it's definitely interesting. Gotta love an old truck. Alright, so we are here. This is the new rig. 06 f350. It is a 5.4, but it'll be okay. Got some plans for this baby. It's not in too bad a shape. Should be good, so we will see.
Back up and do a straight approach. bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. And hold.
It was bound up. We good over there?
Yeah.
So, got the truck picked up. I was trying to get out of there pretty quick because obviously I'm headed back to South Carolina and that's like 6 hours. So, just trying to get out of there pretty fast. So whenever we do a fuel stop, I'll show you guys around this thing. It's not bad for what I spent for it. Obviously it needs a little bit of love, but it runs pretty decent. So we'll go from there. But yeah, it is 1:30 and we are headed south. So let's go. Somewhere in Virginia, I'm about to put a fuel filter on this F350 because it's running like junk, but it has been kind of the whole way here. We can make it run right. Seems to be making pretty good boost and everything, so I don't think it has a boost leak, but we are going to put a filter on it. But while we're here, this is the new rig. It's got a lot of surface rust, but most of all this stuff we're gonna actually fix. So looks good. As soon as I get the truck fixed and back on the road, we'll check it out.